Hello everybody, I am Somukantigiri. Welcome to my channel. So we are continuing our biopharmaceutics series. Okay, we are continuing our biopharmaceutics series. Okay, and today is the fourth lecture. Okay, where we will discuss about the biopharmaceutical classification system or biopharmaceutics classification system. Okay, so let's start. See what is biopharmaceutics or BCS classification system. Okay, it is very important. See, it's a classification system on the basis of their solubility and permeability. Okay, so see, this is the class. Okay, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Okay, all these are there. Okay, here solubility, permeability in these two parameters are there. Okay, and the examples are there. Okay, so in case of BCS class 1, okay, in case of BCS class 1, the drugs which are coming under in your BCS class 1 drug, those are having high solubility and high permeability. Okay, and the examples are diltiazem, metoprolol, paracetamol. Okay, these examples are very important. You have to remember all these examples written here. Okay, then coming to the class 2 drugs. Okay, here the solubility is low and the permeability is high. Okay, and the examples are nifedipine, ketoprofen, carbamazepine. Okay, then class 3, BCS class 3. In case of BCS class 3, the solubility is high and the permeability is low. Okay, and the examples are insulin, ranitidine, atenolol, cimetidine. Okay, and in case of BCS class 4, okay, the solubility is low and permeability is also low. Okay, and the examples are furosemide, hydrochlorothiazide, taxol. Okay, all these are your class 4 drugs. Okay, see, in case of class 1, in case of class 1 drug, both these are, I mean, solubility and permeability both are high. Okay, that means in case of class 1, the rate limiting step in absorption is only gastric emptying. Okay, why? Because see, in case of class 1 drug, the solubility, aqueous solubility of the drug is high. That means it will not be dissolution rate limited. Okay, its absorption will not be dissolution rate limited, and here the permeability is also high. That means it also will not be permeability rate limited. Okay, that's why only the rate limiting factor, okay, is your gastric emptying. Okay, so in case of class 2 drug, see, the solubility is low, aqueous solubility is low in case of class 2 drug. That means the drugs will be dissolution rate limited. Okay, in case of class 3, the permeability is low. Okay, so that's why the permeability rate limited, these drugs will be permeability rate limited. Okay, that means its absorption will be permeability rate limited. See, in case of class 4, the solubility and permeability both are low. Okay, so that's why it will be both solubility and permeability rate limited. Okay, so this is the classification. Okay, so coming to the significance. Okay, what are the significance of the BCS classification? Okay, see, in case of class 1 drug, okay, class 1 drug is which, where high solubility and high permeability is there. Okay, are well absorbed orally. Okay, why they are well absorbed? Because they are having high solubility and high permeability. Okay, since they have neither solubility or permeability limited. Okay, that means they are having high solubility and high permeability. That's why they are well absorbed orally. Okay, that means only the solid doses form, solid oral doses form can be prepared with this drug, class 1 and class 2. See, the example is paracetamol. Okay, so paracetamol का जो formulation होता है ना, solid doses form, that means tablet. Okay, so that's why paracetamol is having higher solubility and higher solubility and higher permeability. Okay, that's why we can make the oral doses form, solid oral doses form, like tablet of paracetamol. Okay, then coming to the class 2 drug. Class 2 drug is what? Here the low solubility, aqueous solubility is low and permeability is high. Okay, so that means the dissolution, it will be dissolution rate limited. Okay, dissolution rate limited. So dissolution rate limited, that's why the variable absorption owing to solubility limited. Okay, so it is having dissolution rate limited, solubility is low, so dissolution rate limited, absorption will be occur. Okay, that's why the absorption will be hampered. Okay, in case of class 3 drugs, देखो solubility यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, permeability यहाँ पे low है. Okay, so that's why in this case also the absorption will be hampered. Okay, absorption will be hampered. Okay, so in case of class 4, देखो class 4 का तो कुछ नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे solubility भी लो है, permeability लो है, ठीक है. So these drugs are poorly aqueous soluble, poorly absorbed orally. Okay, why? Because they are having low solubility and permeability. Okay, so this is the significance of BCS classification. Okay, so I hope all these are clear to you. Okay, so this is the end of our video. Hope all of you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.